Hey everyone, so today I'll be showing you guys how you go from undefined hair to soft and fluffy curls. I'm starting off on an old blow-dried twist out. My hair is lacking moisture, shine, so I'm going to go ahead and take care of that. And then I'm going to go ahead and section it off into 4 large sections. So working on this back section, I'm going to add my moisturizer to my hands, and I'm using the same products from my wash day routine video. The link is above and also in the description box. Always focusing on my ends as well. So I'm just working that product through my hair, and then I'm going to go ahead and split that section into 2 and add more product. So once that's done, I go ahead and add a oil to my hand and apply that all over the hair. Splitting the hair into 2 and 3 and making sure that every strand is covered. So now splitting that section into 2, I'm going to start preparing my hair to be twisted. But first I'm going to lightly detangle the ends so that way it makes it easier for me to twist my hair. So now I'm just adding some warm water to my hands and adding that to the length of my hair. This is going to help with curl definition. Since my hair is pretty old, adding a little bit of water definitely helps the hair to shrink and curl better. It's time to start twisting your hair. So I'm just creating 2-strand twists. I'm not doing flat twists for this. I'm not good at that. So just creating 2-strand twists and twisting my hair all the way down to the very end. Adding a little bit more water to my hand and applying it to the other section of my hair, I'm going to do the same thing, working that water through to help my hair shrink, add a little bit of moisture, and help with curl definition. So moving on to the front section of my hair, I'm just going to add some water. I already went ahead and moisturized and used my oil for this section. I'm going to take a wide tooth comb and detangle this section because it is a little knotty and I plan to create 2 flat twists. So now taking that section and flat twisting it. I'm not the best at doing this, but there's tons of tutorials on YouTube on how to flat twist. So now that all my hair has been twisted up, I think I created maybe about 15 twists. It's actually time for bed, so I'm gonna go ahead and throw in my large jumbo bonnet, and I love this thing. I've been using it for about 6 years now. I'll leave a link down below in case any of you guys are interested in one. So now that my hair is covered, it's time for me to hit the hay. So the next morning, I'm all dressed, makeup is done, and it's time to remove my bonnet. My hair feels so soft, it has a lot of shine, but my hairline still looks really messy. We'll definitely fix that in this moment. So I'm going to go ahead and undo those flat twists at the front. And add some water to that section, and I'm going to redo those flat twists because they got really fuzzy from sleeping. So after making sure that my hair is nice and neat, I'm going to go ahead and take a brush and smooth all of that in, just being very gentle. Now I'm going to begin doing a flat twist and twisting it all the way down to the very end. And once I get to the end, I usually like to coil the hair around my finger. So now doing the same thing to the other side, removing that twist, I'm going to follow up with a little bit of water, work that in, and then finally brushing it in with a soft bristle brush. So then taking that same section, creating a flat twist. Now I'm going to begin removing my twist. Starting at the bottom, I'm going to unravel my twist. Now lightly separating it even more, trying not to disturb the curl pattern too much. Basically just separating the hairs where it naturally wants to separate. Shaking it as I go so I can see where it wants to separate on its own. So I went ahead and finished untwisting this side of my head. I love how soft and fluffy my hair feels and looks. So now I have one more side to do. I'm going to go ahead and do that off camera. So this is what my hair looks like after undoing my twist and lightly separating everything. Any pieces that I feel are too big, I will go ahead and separate a little bit more. So taking those 2 flat twists at the front of my head, I'm going to lightly spin them and pin them at the back of my head using some bobby pins. So that's one side. So now let's do the next side. Taking that twist and tightening it a little bit, placing it at the back of my head and securing it with a bobby pin. So that is pretty much what my hair looks like. It's soft and defined, but my hairline still looks a mess. So I'm going to go in with an old toothbrush. I want to use this for my hair. Dab it in a little bit of gel and begin slicking down the front hairs. So this is what my hair looks like after I finish slicking down my baby hairs. I am definitely not the best at doing this, but hey, I tried. I want to say that hands down, this is probably my favorite hairstyle so far for 2019. I love this style. It lasts such a long time and it's so easy to do. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, make sure you are. Leave me a comment and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.